ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्.
Have I taught this to you?
No, not.
Oh, ji.
Okay, this is a definition of sutram. Okay, what a sutra is. So
While
we
ago.
are learning Maheshwara Sutra. So what a sutra is? You can just know, you can just chant the shloka. The meaning part I will take it elaborately in some other class. Okay, you can repeat. Alpaksharam asandigdham.
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Saravat vishvato mukham.
Saravat
Vishvato mukham.
Vishvatomukham.
Astobham anavadhyam cha.
Astobham anavadhyam cha
Sutram sutravido viduhu.
Sutram sutravido viduhu.
And repeat. Ayun.
Ayun.
Rilak.
Rilak.
Eong.
Evong.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Hayavarat.
Hayavarat.
Lan.
Lanna.
Nyamangananam.
Nyamangananam.
Jabhai.
Jabai.
Ghadadash.
Gadadash.
Jabagadadash.
Jabagadadash.
Kha cha tha tha chatatau.
Kappa chatata chatatau.
Kapai.
Kapai.
Shashasar.
Shashasar.
Hal.
Hal.
These are the Maheshwara Sutra, 14 sutras. And next one is Shiksha Sutra, which I taught you in the previous class.
Yep.
You can repeat after me. Akuga Visarjaniyanam Kantaha.
Visarjaniyanam kantaha.
Ichuyashanam Talu.
Ichuyashanam talu.
ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा
Purushanam Murda
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
Lutulashanam Dantaha
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
Upadmaniyanam Oshtam
नानां नासिका च
Gananam Nasikacha
एदैतो गोकण्ठतालु
Etaitoho Kantatalu
गोधौतो गोकण्ठ ओष्ठम्
Odatoho Kanta Oshtam
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
Karasya Danta Oshtam
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
Mulesya Jikva Mulyam
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
Nasika Anuswarasya
Do you have any doubts on this Shiksha Sutras?
No, Guruji.
Anybody having doubts? Okay. Which are Kantoshta Varnas? I will ask you if you don't have doubts.
Odauto.
What are the letters in Odautohu?
O. 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 I. A. I. To. O. O. Sorry. O. O. Those two.
Only O and O are Kanta Oshta. A and I are Kanta Thalu. This you need to remember. All the Varna and the Ucharana Sthanam is very important. It will be very useful later when we see Sandhi. That is why it is introduced now. So every class we will chant this Shiksha Sutrani along with Mageshwara Sutrani. Okay. Then I introduced many Shabdas. Rama Shabda, the whole Shabda I introduced. Guru Shabda, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, and the Sarvanama Shabdas. Sarvanama means, what does it mean, Sarvanama?
Pronoun.
Pronouns. So we have seen Tad, Etad, and Kim, Yed, Yet Shabda, all these Shabdas we have seen, right? I told you also how to remember this Shabda. You know Rama Shabda, you can connect with the Rama Shabda and know one Shabda. If you know Tat Shabda, then you can know all the other Sarvanama Shabdas. Have you all memorized or kind of remember the Shabdas?
Yes,
Not memorized, but we do. We
If I
have
give
it all.
one, if I give one,
Very
yes, Guruji.
kind of
sorry,
like certain we are getting there, we are trying hard.
finding out which.
Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, we are good. And rest of it, I think we can take, it kind of resembles the other Shabdas and we can kind of do it. But it's not by heart. If we tell it in order, we can. But otherwise, we can.
But we need to know, we need to by heart these Shabdas. Important. You need to chant every day. And I'll keep adding more and more Shabdas. So if the Shabdas are overloading, you have to tell me. Then I stop there till you memorize the Shabda. They will not learn any new Shabda. Once you are comfortable and learn the Shabda, memorize the Shabda, then we go to the next Shabda. These Shabdas are going to be, you are going to see the usefulness of the Shabda later. Very much all the way it will be useful. So if you give one word, say for example, if I say Ramihi, ask you what Vibhakti Vavachanam, able to say.
Chaturthi, Ramaihi.
Namaihi, not Chaturthi.
Tritiya.
Tritiya, Bhagavachanam.
Tritiya
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Yes, Tritiya, Bhagavachanam. If I say similarly, Guru Nam,
Shashti Bahuvachanam.
Guru Shabda.
Guru Shabda, Shashti, Bhagavachanam. So
Bahuvachanam.
you have to spot that. Okay. It's Guru, fine. Now if I say Atitayaha,
बहुवचन प्रथमा बहुवचनम अतिथि शब्दः
very good, yes. Atitayaha is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam of Atiti Shabda. Okay. Then Kavishu,
Saptami Bahuvachanam.
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 Saptami Bhagavachanam.
Hari Shabda.
Rama Shabda.
Kavi Shabda.
Hari Shabda.
Hari Shabda.
Like Ari Shabda.
Like Ari Shabda.
Yes. Tasmat,
Panchami Ekavachanam.
Vati Ekavachanam.
Tad Shabdaha.
Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Tak Shabda. So Tasmat, Ramat, all these things goes together. Tasmat, Ramat. So we are going to see how in the sentence how these things are going to come. So these shabdas you need to know. Anyway, so today I will introduce Strilinga Shabda. I will introduce one more Shabda. Okay. Understand this now. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate.
Ramo
Rajamani Sada Vijayate.
Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
Ramam Ramesham
Bhaje.
Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuhu.
Ramena Bihata Chachara
Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
Tasmai Namaha.
Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram.
Nasti Parayanam Taram.
Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
Me Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me.
Ame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me.
Bho Rama Mamuddhara.
Rama Mamuddhara.
Guruji, before we proceed further, just one more doubt I had. When we were learning Siksha Sutrani, we talked about Upadmaniya and Jihva Mulyam. What about these Visargas after the Visarga when we get Sa or Sha, like Shanti, Shanti?
That
we
is Sandhi.
give them,
That is Sandhi.
That-
It's a different topic.
so there is no
There
the
is
way
no,
we
it is Visarga becomes Sakara and Sakara is pronounced Shanti, Shanti. Sakara and then Shakara. So Shakara is Talavya only. So it is nothing to do with the Shiksha Sutrani. Whatever the letters is there, all these letters are covered in the Shiksha Sutrani.
okay.
If that
All
changes into something, that changes a different topic.
Okay. It doesn't change. The Visarga gets, instead of sounding the
Visarga
Visarga, we the next following.
Changes. Visarga changes depending on what follows. It changes.
Yeah.
The change is called Sandhi. It's a different topic. Yeah, we'll see that later. It's a long way to go there. Okay, then so these shabdas we have seen, and today we'll see Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. It's a new shabda I'm introducing, and we'll keep chanting these shabdas every class. Today, let me introduce a new shabda. You can repeat. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha
आकारान्तः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः
रमाशब्दः
रमां रमा रमे रमाः
रमा
रमे
रमाः
मां रमे रमाः
रमे रमाः
रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः
रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः
रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायाः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः
रमायाः रमयोः रमाणाम्
रमायाः रमयोः रमाणां
रमायां रमयोः रमासु
रमायां रमयोः रमाशु
हे रमे हे रमे हे रमाः
रमे रमाः
Now, Srividya ji, randomly asking, can you hear me?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Akarantaha strilingaha Shri Vidya Shabdaha. You can decline. Try, I'll help you.
Shri Vidya, Shri Vidye, Shri Vidyaha, Shri Vidyam.
Shri Vidya, Shri Vidya, Shri Vidyaha means one Shri Vidya, two Shri Vidyas, many Shri Vidyas, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Continue, please.
Ekavachanam is Shri Vidya. Dvivachanam is Shri Vidye. And Bahuvachanam is Shri Vidyaha.
Yes.
And in Dvitiya Vibhakti,
You can decline. Yes, continue.
Shri Vidyam, Shri Vidye, Shri Vidyaha. In Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Shri Vidyaya,
No, Shri Vidyaya.
Shri Vidyaya. Oh, okay. So, okay, long, it becomes a short one.
Rama becomes Ramaya. Shri Vidya will become Shri Vidya. Shri Vidya is that, right? Shri Vidya. So that A only removes. A only goes away. Then Shri Vidya is there, and then Ya is added. So Shri Vidya Ya.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yeah. Yes, Guruji.
Rama, in Rama, A goes away.
And Ma,
Right.
just Ma.
In Rama, this A goes away, and then Aya is added. Similarly, in Shri Vidya, A remove it. Then you add Aya.
Aya.
Becomes Shri Vidya. Same way. Same way for other words. Yeah.
Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam Shri Vidyaya. Shri Vidyabhyam is Dvivachanam. And Bahuvachanam is Shri Vidyabhihi.
Yes.
And then Chaturthi Vibhakti in Ekavachanam is Shri Vidyayai. And Dvivachanam is Shri Vidyabhyam. And Bahuvachanam is Shri Vidyabhyaha. And Panchami Vibhakti and Ekavachanam is no, I think I'm in Shashti Vibhakti. I'm sorry.
Shashti Vibhakti. You don't have to tell the Vibhakti, just you can chant.
Okay.
So,
Shri
Shri Vidya.
Yayaha, Shri Vidyayoho.
Shri
No, Shri
Vidyayoho.
Vidyayoho. Yeah, Shri Vidyayoho. Shri Vidyanam. Shri Vidyayam. Shri Vidyayoho. Shri Vidyasu. He Shri Vidye. He Shri Vidye. And He Shri Vidyaha.
Okay, all of you understand this, how to decline
Yes.
Akaranta Shabda? Okay, now randomly ask Krishna Kumarji. you can unmute. Others, please make your, you can keep the mic in unmute. I don't have problem, but make sure that there is no background noise, either the mic sound or somebody talking behind. You can keep the mic in unmute. No problem. You don't have to mute the mic. I'm happy that you, if you respond to my question. You can keep the mic in unmute, but make sure that there is no background noise. Yeah, Krishna Kumarji.
Okay, Guruji.
You can. Krishna is akarantaha pullinga shabda. Krishna. Kumara also akarantaha pullinga, like Rama shabda. Okay. That shabda you don't have to decline now. And Krishna Kumara is one word, and it is declined like Rama shabda as one word. Krishna Kumaraha, Krishna Kumaro. Anyway, pullinga we are not interested now. In Srilinga, now if Krishna is pullinga, you can convert the pullinga to Strilinga by adding one more letter. Krishna is the name for Draupadi. Okay. Krishna, that long akarantaha, this means Krishna, it means Draupadi. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Krishna Shabdaha. So you can decline Krishna Shabdaha. Krishna is not your name. That's why I'm giving this explanation. Krishna. Your name is Krishna. Akarantaha. Krishna is Akarantaha. Strilinga.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Krishna,
Krishne, Krishnaha. Krishnam, Krishne, Krishnaha. Krishnaya, Krishnabhyam, Krishnabhihi. Krishnayai, Krishnabhyam, Krishnabhyaha. Krishnayah, Krishnabhyam, Krishnabhyaha. Krishnayah, Krishnayoh, Krishnanam. Krishnayam, Krishnayoh, Krishnasu. He Krishne, He Krishne, He Krishna.
Yes. Next, Manjula ji.
Yeah, Guruji.
You can decline Manjula.
Yeah, Guruji. Manjula, Manjule, Manjulaha. Manjulam, Manjule, Manjulaha. Manjulaya, Manjulabhyam, Manjulabhihi. Manjulayai, Manjulabhyam, Manjulabhyaha. Manjulaya,
Manjulayaha.
Yeah, Guruji. Manjulayaha, Manjulabhyam, Manjulabhyaha. Manjulayaha, Manjulayoho, Manjulayanam.
Manjulanam.
Manjulanam. Manjulayam, Manjulayoho, Manjulasu. He Manjule, He Manjule, He Manjulaha.
Okay. Next person. Anupama ji, you can unmute your mic.
Guruji.
One second, Guruji.
Yes.
If I want to write my name in Sanskritam, I have to write Manjula and Akaranta, is it?
Yes, yes.
In Telugu, we write Akaranta, just Manjula.
But in Sanskritam, it is Manjula Akaranta only.
Oh, okay, Guruji.
Yes. You can decline your name, Anupama.
Ji
What
Guruji.
is Anupama?
Anupama. You're asking meaning, Guruji?
Yeah.
It's a unique thing which is uncomparable, Guruji.
Yes. Upama means comparison.
Yes,
They want
Guruji.
a thing to compare. That which cannot be compared. Na upama asti. Anupama.
Yes,
Nanch
Guruji.
tatpurusha samasa it is. Yes. Upama na vidyate yasyaha sa anupama. That is the Vigavakya for your name.
Okay.
Upama na vidyate yasyaha sa anupama. Okay, please decline your name.
Yes, Guruji. Anupama, Anupame, Anupamaha, Anupamam, Anupame, Anupamaha, Anupamaya, अनुपमाभ्याम गुरुजी अनुपमया ओके अनुपमया अनुपमाभ्याम अनुपमाभ्यः अनुपमायै अनुपमाभ्याम अनुपमाभ्यः अनुपमा अनुपमायाः
Yes.
अनुपमाभ्याम अनुपमाभ्यः अनुपमायाः अनुपमायोः अनुपमानाम्
Anupamayoho.
अनुपमयोः अनुपमानाम् अनुपमायाम् अनुपमयोः अनुपमासु हे अनुपमे हे अनुपमे हे अनुपमाः.
In fact, Anupama Shabda is simple. You know why? Your name also ends with Ma, Anupama, and
Okay.
Rama.
Yes, Guru.
So instead of Ra, here, what is in the Shabda? Rama, Rame, Ra is replace it by Anupa, that's all.
Yes.
Then you get the form. Ma me maha, ma me maha, maya mabhyam, mabi. Add Anupa before that. You get your
Yes.
Shabda. Right?
Okay, Guruji.
It's simple, it's not difficult one. You have to practice it.
I'll practice.
Priyaji, you can do your name.
Yes, Ji. Priya, Priye, Priyaha, Priyam, Priye, Priyaha, Priyaya,
No, again.
Priyabhyam,
Priyaya.
Priyaya.
In this Tritiya Vibhakti, generally people make mistake. Rama becomes Rama. Priya becomes Priya. And Ya, Priyaya. Remember, Manjula becomes Manjulaya. Girija becomes Girijaya. Okay.
Okay.
So Rama becomes
Priyaya.
Ramaya. So Priyaya.
Okay, Ji. Priyaya, Priyabhyam, Priyabhihi, Priyayai, Priyabhyam, Priyabhyaha, Priyayaha, Priyabhyam, Priyabhyaha, Priyayaha, Priyayoho, Priyanam, Priyayam, Priyayoho, Priyashu, He Priye,
Priyasu.
Priyasu, He Priye, He Priye, He Priya,
Priyaha.
Priyaha.
Next one. Next person. Lataji. You can do.
लता लते लताः लतां लते लताः लतया लताभ्यां लताभिः लतायै लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लताभ्यां लताभ्यः लतायाः लतयोः लतानां लतायां लतयोः लतासु हे लते हे लते हे लताः.
Yes, good. Next, Indraji. Indra is the Harihara. You know, Hari is Ikaranta Shabda. Pullinga Hari Shabda. Hara is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Hara is like Rama Shabda. Hari like Hari Shabda. Harihara is one word. Okay, let me ask you this question. How do you decline Harihara Shabda? Like what
Like
Shabda?
Rama Shabda.
Like?
Rama Shabda.
Like Rama Shabda. I'm asking her, she will answer.
Sorry, Guruji.
Indra, are you there? Can you hear me? Yes? No? Okay. So I think she can't hear me. So let me ask Ram Kumarji, you can decline Indra Shabda. Okay.
Indra, Indre, Indraha, Indram, Indre, इन्द्राः इन्द्रय इन्द्राभ्याम् इन्द्राभिः इन्द्रायै इन्द्राभ्याम् इन्द्राभ्यः इन्द्रायाः इन्द्राभ्याम् इन्द्राभ्यः इन्द्रायाः इन्द्रयोः इन्द्राभ्याम्
Indranan.
इन्द्रायाम् इन्द्रयोः इन्द्रासु हे इन्द्रे हे इन्द्रे हे इन्द्राः.
Yes. Indra is wife of Indra is called Indra Akaranta. Indra is Akaranta. Akarantaha Pullingaha Indra Shabdaha Rama Shabdavat. Akarantaha Strilingaha Indra Shabdaha Rama Shabdavat. Like Rama Shabda. Okay. Next, Kausalya. You can decline your name.
कौसल्या कौसल्ये कौसल्याः कौसल्यां कौसल्ये कौसल्याः कौसल्या कौसल्याभ्यां
No. Kausalya. How can it be Kausalya?
कौसल्यया.
Kausalyaya.
Okay.
Kausalya, in your name itself, ya is there.
Okay.
And Tritiya Vibhakti, extra ya is there. So, Kausalyaya.
कौसल्यया कौसल्य कौसल्याभ्यां कौसल्याभिः कौसल्यायै कौसल्याभ्यां कौसल्याभ्यः कौसल्यायाः कौसल्याभ्यां कौसल्याभ्यः कौसल्यायाः कौसल्ययोः कौसल्ययोः कौसल्याणां कौसल्यायां
Kausalyayam. Yes, please correct. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. कौसल्यायां कौसल्ययोः कौसल्ययोः कौसल्यासु हे कौसल्ये हे कौसल्ये हे कौसल्याः.
Okay. Now, Girijaji, you can do.
Yes, Guruji. Girija, Girije, Girijaha. Girijam, Girije, Girijaha. Girijaya, Girijabhyam, Girijabhihi. Girijayau, Girijayai, Girijabhyam, Girijabhyaha. Girijayaha, Girijabhyam, Girijabhyaha. Girijayaha, Girijayoho, Girijanam. Girijayam, Girijayoho, Girijasu. He Girije, He Girije, He Girijaha.
Girija, meaning?
Name of Parvati Devi, but the one born to mountain. Ja means being born. Giri is mountain. And by
Giri, how do you decline the Giri Shabda?
Giri is like Hari Sabda.
So, Girehe Jayate iti Girija.
Giri Jayate.
Okay, it is like Panchami Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Like Harehe, Girehe Jayate, that which is born from mountain or off mountain. Like Pankaja, Pankaj Jayate iti Pankaja. Panka is mud, Pankaja is lotus. Lotus is born in the mud, from the mud water. So Pankaja. Padmaja, Padmat Jayate. So you will find Panchami Vibhakti, Padmat Jayate. That is Mahalakshmi, Padmaja. Okay. So Girija, Ja means born.
To be born.
Jan Dhatu. Okay. So anybody wants to try, you can. I just tried with the names of the people, students here, with the Akaranta. Anybody wants to?
Name, I will try.
Okay. Anuja. What is the meaning of Anuja?
Anuja.
Younger sister.
Okay.
Anuja is younger sister. Agraja is elder sister.
Elder sister.
Anu means following. Agra is gone before. The one who is born before, Agra. Agre jayate Agraja. Anujayate Anuja. The one who follows me, it's called Anuja. It's his younger sister. Okay. Same thing, Anujaha, Agrajaha. Anujaha, younger brother. Agrajaha, elder brother. You can develop, vocabulary, you can remember these names. Agraja, elder sister. Agrajaha, elder brother. Anuja, younger sister. Anujaha, younger brother. Continue.
Anuja, Anuje, Anujaha. Anujam, Anuje, Anujaha. Anujaya, Anujabhyam, Anujabihi. Anujayai, Anujabhyam, Anujabhyaha. Anujayaha, Anujabhyam, Anujabhyaha. Anujayaha, Anujayoho, Anujanam. Anujayam, Anujayoho, Anujashu. Anujasu. He Anuje, he Hanuje, he Anujaha.
Okay. Anybody wants to try?
Guruji, I want to try. Anjali.
Okay, you can try Bhagavad Gita.
Okay. So Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gitaha, Bhagavad Gitam, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Gitaha, Bhagavad Gitaya, Bhagavad Gitayabhyam.
Not Bhagavad, Bhagavat.
Bhagavad Gita Bhihi, Bhagavad Gitayai, Bhagavad Gitabhyam, Bhagavad Gitabhyah, Bhagavad Gitayaha, Bhagavad Gitabhyam, Bhagavad Gitabhyah, Bhagavad Gitayaha, Bhagavad Gitayoho, Bhagavad Gitanam, Bhagavad Gitayam, Bhagavad Gitayoho.
You're saying Bhagavad, that I think that Hindi Chaya is there. Bhaga only. Bhagavad Gita, not Bhagavad Gita. That ga is Gakara plus A. The vowel A is there. The A should be pronounced.
Okay, so
In Hindi, what we do generally, we cut the vowel, right?
Yeah.
That should not be done in Sanskritam.
Okay.
As it is.
So Bhagavad Gitayaha, Bhagavad Gitayoho, Bhagavad Gitanam, Bhagavad Gitayam, Bhagavad Gitayoho, Bhagavad Gitasu. He Bhagavad Gite, He Bhagavad Gite, He Bhagavad Gitaha.
Remember the Gita Dhyana Shloka?
Yeah.
Partaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavatam. The last line. Ambatva vanusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini. Hey Bhagavad Gite, addressing Sambodhana. This 8-1 Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti. Hey Rame, hey Bhagavad Gite, oh Bhagavad Gita, Vam Anusandadhami. I repeatedly meditate on you. We saw this in the Gita. Yes. Gita Dhyana Shloka. Yes. You're asking something?
Yeah, it is Bhagavad Gita, not Bhagavad.
Not Bhagavad. Yes. Bhagavad Gita.
Okay. Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.
Anybody else wants to try?
Good.
Yeah. Nalini ji. Hello.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
Yes.
Nalini, what is your Shabda?
Nalini Shabda is more like Parvati Shabda or Hari Shabda.
Ikaranta. Not Hari Shabda. We are going to see later. Ikaranta Shabda. We have not seen it. Don't worry. So your Shabda will come later. So you can take Lalita. Lalita Shabda. Akarantaha. Strilingaha. Lalita Shabda.
Lalita, Lalite, Lalitaha. Lalitam, Lalite, Lalitaha. Lalitaya, Lalitabhyam, Lalitabihi. ललितायै ललिताभ्यां ललिताभ्यः ललितायाः ललिताभ्यां ललिताभ्यः ललितायाः ललितयोः ललितानां ललितायां ललितयोः ललितासु हे ललिते हे ललिते हे ललिताः.
Anybody wants to try, or we can move forward? Anybody? Huh? Hello?
You can move forward, Guruji.
Okay. If anybody wants to try, please, you can let me know. I can give you some shabda you can try. You can take Padmaja, Pankaja, and all the Akaranta shabda which are in the first file. You can check that. Many
Ji,
Akaranta, yeah.
Ji, what
Sorry?
is the meaning of Anusha?
Anusha.
Mm.
You have to check Anusha.
Okay.
Anushangaha, Anusha, you have to check. Let me see. Okay. So you can try these words which are given in that book. So all the Akaranta Shabda. Okay, now we'll move forward. Yes. So this Kriya Padam I introduced. Remember, I said this, the pratyaya, ti, it's very important, signifies many things. It's a highly loaded pratyaya. The ti, the pratyaya. It gives information about the doer of the action and what tense the action, the kriya is done, whether it is present tense or past tense or future tense. And we have got many tenses and moods in Sanskritam. And what voice is the active voice or passive voice. And the Purusha, that is person, and the Vachanam, all this information are given by this suffix. So Likati means it is not you, it is not me, somebody else. Pratama Purushaha. Ramaha Likati or Rama Likati. Saha Likati or Sa Likati. Or Tat Likati. Could be anything. So Ti Taha Anti. Ti Taha Anti means Ekavachanam Likati. If two persons are there, Likataha. If it is Bhagavachanam, Likanti. So you can try that now. So I'll call the names on the chat box. You can try. First person. Manjula, you can read.
बालकः पठति बालके पठन्ति
Asti Balake Patanti. Where is that?
गुरुजी
Where is Balake?
हाँ बालकौ बालकौ पठतः.
There's some background noise. Somebody is talking, I think. Balakau Patataha. Okay. Not, you don't have to unmute. I mean, you can tell the person, or it may be. Continue.
Yeah.
Please continue. So Balaka is Rama Shabdavat. So Balakaha Patati. Balakau Patataha. Then
बालकाः पठन्ति.
So you can see Patati. Ti is Ekavachanam. Therefore, Balakaha. Taha is the suffix you have to watch here. Taha is Dvivachanam. So Balakau. Pratama Purusha. It is Dvivachanam. And present tense. And here you can see Anti. That is actually Anti. Anti. Patanti. That when you say Patanti, Anti sound is that Anti is the suffix. how this forms comes, everything we will discuss later. We have to learn a lot to know how this anti is. You don't see anti as such there. Pat plus anti. You can see pat plus anti. That anti you can take. Yes, that anti is the suffix. Patanti, likanti. That will be Bhagavachanam. So balakaha patanti. Okay. The next person, Manjari, can read.
अश्वः धावति अश्वौ धावतः अश्वाः धावन्ति.
Dhavanti. So you can replace the Ashwa by some other words also. All the Shabdas, whatever Shabdas you have learned, Rama, Hari, Guru, Lata, Lata Davati, Lata Davatau, Lataha, Lata Davati, Late Davataha, Lataha Davanti. Okay. Lata is Srilinga. So Lata Davati, Late Davataha. So you can try with different lingas. If it is suppose pala, a fruit, palam davati, pale davataha, palani davanti. Just saying pala. You can take any one. Okay. Pala or whichever is Napumsakalinga. So Pratama Vibhakti, I mean Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. And you can see the Vachanam matching between the Padam and the Karta. Karta is a subject. Davati is a Kriya. Davati is the Kriya, the action. Action done by the Karta. So there should be a conformity with the subject in terms of Purusha and in terms of Vachanam. That's a syntax. Oh, next person, Girjaji.
Yes, Guruji. Mayurah nrutyate, mayurau nrutyataha, mayuraha nrutyanti.
Yes, Mayuraha nrutyanti. You can remember the meaning of this Kriya Padams. Patati, Davati, Nrityati. Dances.
Yeah.
So we have to develop the vocabulary of verbs. One is nouns, other one is the verb. There are 2,000 verbs in Sanskritam. Only 2,000. Okay, it's not much. Only 2,000. You don't have to remember all the 2,000. At the most, we'll be using maximum 500 to 600 verbs. Dhatus. Those forms only you need to know. That itself, you will see how much it is. Because it's multiplied in different tenses and different moods and karmani priyaha, it's a huge one. I'm not 30 good. You'll see how interesting it is. So I'll be learning slowly that. Okay, next person, Kausalyaji. You can read the next line. One line you can read.
Okay. Sainikah rakshati, Sainikau rakshataha, Sainikaha rakshanti.
Understand the meaning?
Yeah. Soldier protects. Two soldiers protect. Many soldiers protect.
Yes. Next person, Lataji.
Gajaha gachati, Gajau gachataha, Gajaha gachanti. Elephant
Yes.
go. Two elephants.
Yeah. Go and many elephants go. Next person, Shividyaji.
Naraha pibati, Narau pibataha, Naraha pibanti.
Pibati meaning?
Drinking.
Drinks.
Sorry, Guruji.
Drinks. Naraha pibati.
Oh.
A man drinks.
Okay.
Two men drink. Men drink. All drink only water. Don't think anything. Only water.
Naraha derogatory. Naraha. So I was like bad people, bad man kind of. Okay.
Naraha.
Naraha. In Tamil, Naraha is.
Naraha jalam pibati.
Naraha. That is Naraka.
Naraka. Okay.
Naraka is different. Nara is not Naraka. Nara is man. Man is not hell. Okay. Naraha means Nara is man. Naraha means man, or you can in English also we say no. Man is mortal. So Naraha, man stands for both man and woman. Sometimes use the word Naraha meaning a human being in general. So Naraha can mean a man. Naraha can mean a human being, and it can be a male or female. Okay. Naraka is hell. Naraka is hell. That is different. Opposite to Swarga, Swarga Loka, Naraka Loka. So Naranari Nam Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Jaiva Narottamam. The shloka Narayana, Lord Narayana. And Naraha is Arjuna, the disciple. Naraha. Okay. It's a good word, not Naraka. Okay. Next person. Somebody is asking something? Please ask.
Guruji, it's clear. Thank you.
Guruji, I have one doubt, maybe not related to this. See, this Chavarga is also called as Taluhu, right? What is the English like gutturals? What's
Palatal.
Palatal. Then Murdanaha
Cerebral.
Cerebral. Okay. And dentals and labials.
Dentals, yeah.
Dentals and okay. Yeah, thank you.
Next person, Kamakshi.
छात्रः क्रीडति छात्रौ क्रीडतः छात्राः क्रीडन्ति boy plays, two boys play, many boys play.
Chatra doesn't mean boy.
Chatra, student.
Student.
Student plays, two students play, many students play.
What student? Male or female?
Male.
So many information is there. Chatra means student, under two, it's a male student. If it is a female student, Chatra. Okay, you can try. Chatra is there. How do you do it?
Chatra kridati, chatre kridatah, chatraha kridanti.
That's all. Chatra, chatre, chatraha. Now, chatraha kridanti Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachanam looks same for both Chatra and Chatra. Depending on the context, we have to know whether Chatraha kridanti, the Chatra is male or female. Okay, male student or female students. It is not possible to know if unless you know the context.
Okay, Guruji.
That is what your question is?
Yes, Guruji.
I know this question will come. That is why before you ask, I'm answering this. So depending on the context. Okay.
Thank you.
Now next person. Ram Kumarji.
बालकः पश्यति बालकौ पश्यतः बालकाः पश्यन्ति.
Balakaha pasyanti. Pashyati is sees.
Sees, yes.
So you know all these Kriya Padam. Simple.
Yes, Guruji.
Balaka is boy. This is boy.
This
Balaka is boy.
Yes.
Another word is Balaha also you can say. Balaha. So if it is a girl,
Balika.
Bala.
Bala.
Bala. Okay,
Bala.
you can play with Bala. Ramkumarji. Bala, suppose Bala is there.
Sorry, can you come back, Guruji? Bala.
Bala. I'm giving you the word Bala. Now you do the sentence. Replace Balaka by Bala.
Okay. Bala pashyati. Bale pashyatah. Balakau. Bale.
Bala, Bale.
Balaha pashyanti. Yes, Balaha pashyanti.
Okay. The next person, Krishna Kumarji. If it is instead of Bala, we give you the word Balika. Balika also means girl. Whether it is Bala or Balika, same. Balika.
Balika pashyati, balike pashyatah, balikaah pashyanti.
That's so simple. Now next lesson is going to come. Already you have read that. Balika patati, balike patataha, balikaha patanti. So the next person now, the first person, Manjuraji, you can do. Chataka, yes.
Chataka kujati, chatake kujataha, chatakaha Kujanti.
Yes. Chataka is sparrow. What sparrow? Female sparrow.
Yeah.
If it is a male, chataka. Chatakaha, chatakau, chatakaha. But here, chataka, chatake, chatakaha. Okay. Kujati is cackles. Kujati, Kujanti Rama Rameti. You know that shloka? Muduram, Mudurakshasam. Next one, Manjiri.
Yes, Guruji. Mahila pachati, mahile pachatah, mahilau, mahilaha pachanti. Mahila, mahile, mahilaha pachanti.
So you need to know the Shabda and need to know the Kriya Pada. Shabda will be, you can see the application. Mahila, Magile, Magilaha, Magila, Magile, Magilaha, Magilaya. Just now we chanted Rama Shabdavat. And Patati, Pachati, Pachataha, Pachanti. So you have to match it according with the Purusha and Vachanam. Magila, Pachati. Magile, Pachataha. Magilaha, Pachanti. Now Girjaji, next one.
Yes, Guruji. Chhatra likhati, chhatre likhataha, chhatraha likhanti.
Chhatra is?
The pupil, female student.
Yes.
Likhati is writing, writes.
Yes. Next person, Kausalyaji.
Aja charati, aje charataha, ajaha charanti.
Aja is Aja.
Female goat.
Goat, yes. Charata is grazing. Moving or grazing, both. Any meaning you can take. Charati is moving. Aja, a female goat moves or grazes. Okay. Next person, Lataji.
Kalika vikasati, kalike vikasataha, kalikaha vikasanti.
What does it mean? Kalika is a bud, a flower bud.
Blossom.
Yes. Vikasati is
Blossom.
blossoms. Kalika Vikasati, one Kalika.
One bud.
Vikasati. Kalike, two Kalikas. Two flower buds. Okay. Then Sri Vidyaji.
Balika vadati, balike vadataha, balikaha vadanti. Balika is a girl is talking, two girls are talking, and many girls are talking.
Yes. Then Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga we know Palashabda, Palam, Pale, Palani, and Palam, Patati, Kamakshiji.
Phalam patati, phale patataha, phalani patanti. Fruit falls, two fruits fall, many fruits fall.
Ram Kumarji.
Karyanam chalati, karyane chalataha, karyanani chalanti. So Karayanani chalanti. So one car
Karayanam is car.
Yes.
Yana means vehicle. And it is car, therefore Karayanam. If it is bus, you can say Basayanam. Or Lokayanam. No, I'm not joking, seriously.
Okay.
Basayanam. There is a word for Basayanam also. Or Lokayanam. You can say Lokayanam. Because Loka carries many people. So Lokayanam.
Right.
So Karayanam, Lokayanam. Yanam is Napumsakalinga. Yanam, Yane, Yanani. Whether it is Karayanam or Lokayanam. Napumsakalinga only.
Okay, good.
Chalati moves. Yeah.
Yes, good.
Next person. Krishnamaji.
Yes, Guruji. Pustakam isti. Pustake staha, pustakani santi.
Yes. Meaning? Pustakam is.
Pustakam is there. Two books are there, and many books are there.
Yes. A book is, that's all. In Sanskritam, pustakam asti. Asti staha santi. Asti is the existence, the being. That astitvam, that asti, sat, even that asti is there everywhere. There is nothing which doesn't have astitvam. That which has got astitvam only we can talk about. Brahma asti, when we say Sat Chit Ananda, that Sat, that is Asti. There's no difference. That existence, that is the meaning given is by this Kriya Padam gives also. As though it looks like a Kriya, but what action is? Action, that existence. Asti. Pustakam Asti. Balaha Asti. Bala Asti. Can you talk about anything which is not Asti? Anything you would say Asti, it is because it is, that's why you are talking. You cannot think of anything which is not, which doesn't have Astitva. So Vedanta is there. That's I'm showing that. See, you can see the Vedanta in this. Okay, the next person, Manjulaji, can read.
Yeah, Guruji. Anyani Vakyani. Pushpe Vikasati. Pushpe Vikasataha. Pushpani Vikasanti.
Vikasati, we are seeing blooms.
Yeah.
So, Pushpam,
Pushpam.
flower.
Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani. Napunsakalitam.
Yes.
Yeah.
A flower blooms. Two flower bloom. Many flowers bloom. Next person, Manjuliji. Manjuliji, are you there? Okay. Please read the second one.
Yeah. Vyanjanam Brahmati.
Yajana.
Yajanam.
Vyanjanam means consonant. Yajanam is fan. Yajanam is fan.
Fan. Okay. Vyajanam Brahmati. Vyajane Brahmataha. Vyajanani Brahmanti.
Yeah, next one also you can read.
Okay. Gruham Asti. Gruhe Saha. Gruhani Santi.
Yes, Vyajanam is fan. Fan moves. One fan moves, two fan move, many fans move. Griham Asti. Griham also Napumsakalinga. Griham is a houses. Grihestaha, two houses are. Many houses are. Grihani Santi. Okay. I think we can stop here. And this Abhyasa is there in this at the end. This is lesson number 10. I will post that in the OneDrive link. You can work out the examples. Any doubt you have, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. So this is lesson number 10. Other lessons also I will just upload in that.
What page number, Guruji?
You go through different. It's a small file only. It has got only 13 pages.
No,
37
no,
pages only.
I'm asking so that next time we can give you the hint where to start.
This finished. This I will not. That
Page
this is okay. Page is 13. Abhyasaha. Page
Yeah,
number.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. So not only this, other simple lessons are there. I will upload. That is lesson number 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th one. So this is 10th one is your homework. You can try. And Rama Shabda, you remember, try to memorize. So with that, we stop today. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Please do homework. If you don't do homework, later you will find it very difficult. And people generally, because they don't keep up with the pace of the class, they drop out. That's what happens generally. That's the fate of Sanskritam. What to do? Even these, the language is not difficult, but continuous effort, prayatnam is required. That's why I'm going at a very slow pace, so you don't feel burdened.
This is
So
nice,
you
Guruji.
can,
Where
you
we're
can
going.
Pace is fine, Guruji.
slowly
It
you
is.
will see the standard will increase. So you have to keep up with the pace also. So you need to do some more, but daily spend at least 10-15 minutes, not more than that.
It's doing that, Guruji.
Yes,
Guruji,
Guruji.
Guruji, that file which is there, which has got all the declarations of all the this thing that is
I will
posted
send
in.
you that PowerPoint.
Yeah, PowerPoint. Yeah, PowerPoint.
I'll send that.
Okay,
I think
Guruji.
I just copied that in the OneDrive. You can check in the OneDrive. It may be there. If not, I will send it.
Okay, Guruji. What is the name of the file, Guruji?
Is name of the file. Samskrita Patanam 2.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay, Guruji. I'll download it, Guruji.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad, Guruji. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Guruji.
Namaste.